This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is going to be a short and sweet review of a short and sweet little pixie cut called Casey. And the color on Casey by Estetica is R610, which is a blend between the light brown, or like a medium light brown, which is the 10, and a number 6, which is a chestnut brown. So if I get in there, you can kind of see, here, like focus a little bit more light on it, that it's a very, very well blended shade. It gives the overall appearance of a warm medium brown. Very nice. This little cut has a lot of texture to it. It's got a really nice little bang here that's very manageable. And you can fuss with it a little bit to get a little bit more texture out of it, which is what I'm doing right now. It can actually be spiked, but I'm not going to put any product or anything like that in it. But you can wear it flat or you can wear it edgy. It's all up to you. This is part of their Classique collection, so it has a standard cap, so nothing really special there. But it does stretch a lot. So if you have a slightly large head, this would probably be a very comfortable wig. And it has a lot of texture. Definitely 100% a unisex wig. It's just, you can get away with this regardless if you're a girl or a boy. And if you want something that's very, very easy to just put on and go, I don't think it gets much easier than something this short. You get a lot of good coverage, even though this color blends perfectly with my natural color. I mean, this is all Casey here. And in the sides, I'm only going to show you the one side because they're identical. It's a symmetrical wig. Here is the back, so you get a little bit of texture, but overall it's just very, very short. So I think what I can do to help you out to see some of the possibilities of this is to use my brush. Now, first thing I'm going to do is direct the hair all to one side. So you can see how it lays and see how it wants to spike up. You can really take advantage of that if you want. Even the Estetica description of this wig says it's a short spiky cut with a tapered nape. So you can literally spike this if you had some product. You can swoosh it off to the other side. I'm going to do the same with the bang since I didn't do that the last time around. So that way you can see what it looks like with the bangs. A little bit of texture here on top. I actually think this is nice. Truth be told, this is not one that I would personally have ever thought to try on, but it was a viewer request, so I figured I'd just run with it and see what happens. And overall, I think it's kind of nice, especially for a wig that's this well priced. Let me pull this up just to make sure here. Let's see here. This wig usually goes for $100. And if you really like it, I'd be willing to bring the price down a little bit. You just have to let me know if you're thinking of ordering. And of course, this particular review wig in R610 will be going on the clearance portion of my site. So you could get it at an even better discount there. So I'm going to take the cap off so you can see what it looks like. But really, it's a pretty standard capless construction. Stretches very well. It has just what, if you're wondering what this lace is here, that's just a little itty bitty bit of permatease to give it some body. And it does have tabs in the back so you can let it out. The ear tabs do bend, so make sure they're lying flat when you put them on. I always try to line the hairline up to my own. Really, you don't need to do much to this. If you want the texture, you can texturize it. If you don't, you can slick it down. Lots of possibilities with this one. Especially for being such a short wig, that's kind of nice. So this has been Casey by Estetica in the color R610. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.